Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn off screen time tracking to save more battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to turn off screen time tracking, then simply open settings and then scroll down and click on screen time. And then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option turn off app and website activity. Then simply turn it off, and then here it will be confirmed to turn off. After turning off app and website, then it will be fixed to turn off screen time tracking, and then it will save more battery. So this is the way to turn off screen time tracking to save more battery in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.